Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to try and understand why why Indians are investing in cryptos. So if you read the news, you'll find that typically the Indians don't invest in have invested in cryptos in the past few years since crypto has been in the market. They Indians are very traditional investors, so they invest in only a handful of assets. But in the past 1 year, especially, Indians have started to invest in cryptos, in a big way. And we try and in this video we try and dissect what have been the typical areas where the Indians have been investing over the years and years, and why that shift, the mindset shift, has happened, and for whom that mindset shift has happened in terms of investing in crypto. So before I show you my slides, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know how, if you want changes, if you want me to talk about certain different topics on crypto or anything on investment, marketing, technology, let me know. And also share with people who are really looking to build a portfolio of cryptos, invest in them, and think that crypto is a great form of investment. So having said that, let's dive in. So we'll try and understand the Indian crypto investors first. First, you should know that Indians love investing in gold. So some records show that they have invested about 25,000 tons of in gold, and which is a pretty big amount. I think that's the largest in amongst any country put together. So the second thing that you should also understand is that typically the Indians invest in properties as well. Now, if you look at this particular figure, this is this website called Chain Analysis. It says that Indians have been investing about $200 million up until the last year, but in this past 1 year, they've invested $40 billion into crypto. So that's a significant jump for Indians to invest in crypto in just 1 year. And look at this boom. This boom. Look at this graph. Shows you, this is a graph which I picked up from Chain Analysis, and Bloomberg even carried this particular graph. So it says that there was a massive jump in the month of February or even March of this year. So now we try and understand the reasons for this crypto craze among Indians. So traditionally, Indians would invest in gold, and besides gold, they will invest in properties. So you would know many wealthy Indians investing not just in India, even overseas in other markets, in the European market, the US markets, and other markets. So they invest in gold and in properties. But both these assets provide positive gains in the long term. So typically they don't provide too much gain in the short term. Sometimes they do, but generally the sentiments are for long-term investment. But the young Indians look for short-term gains. That is totally contrary to what their parents or the previous generation is to look for. So when I say young, I mean those under the age of 35. And India has, I think, about 65 to 70% of its population who are under the age of 35. So that's the major chunk. Now, some of these young Indians also feel that crypto is more transparent than gold or even property. Now, that's a debatable point, and now this comes out from an interview which was published recently. Now, transparency is again a questionable term. We don't know what exactly they meant when they said transparent, but probably so gold transaction I think is also transparent. Properties are also transparent. Properties may have some elements of opaqueness, but we have to still try and see what it qualifies for them, for the young Indians to use the term transparent. So according to Bloomberg, more than 15 million Indians are now trading crypto. Roughly 8 million fewer than the US. US is about 23 million. And many more than the UK's 2.3 million. So you see, Indians have been now going in a big way into crypto. And which is, well, a good and a bad sign as well. Now, a good sign is, of course, they are expanding their investment portfolios. The bad sign is, of course, the regulatory bank in India, the Reserve Bank of India, has actually sent out a few words of caution, and they wanted to even, put in some regulations. I mean, not just the RBI, but even, all the regulatory banks around the world, they are all looking to put in, regulations on crypto, control crypto, because the governments in all countries would want to control the crypto transaction. So, India's financial regulators are considering classifying Bitcoin as an asset class under a bill that could be presented as soon as next month, July 2020. So the moment they do, it will fall under a few sets of regulations. So they will define those regulations. So that's why I said it's young Indians investing in cryptos, 15 million of them, is both a good sign as well as a bad sign. So the good sign has been there have been good investments from going in. They're expanding their investment portfolio, but because crypto has its inherent challenges, it's not regulated, and there is no transaction history which you could typically use to make an investment decision similar to stock market. So that and hence there are those restrictions that the RBI has been putting in. So these are the negative aspects. But overall, I think it's a good sign. And also the Indian government is looking at having a digital currency, the digital rupees, Indian rupees. So obviously that should also help in putting in seamless regulations in the digital currency world in India. And of course, most countries are also going into the same direction. So you would also know, China has been trying to control the crypto, the crypto, not the Chinese yuan, which is the digital currency, but the crypto which come from outside China, so Bitcoin and all of that. So I did a video on that. I will put that on the card above. Take a look at it. And I hope you will get a flavor of what China is trying to do on the crypto world. So that's it, guys. So as you know, I have a ebook for you to get. It's a free ebook. It's on my journey as an entrepreneur. The ebook is titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. The book, in that book, I've spoken about not just my journey, but also, how I became successful as an entrepreneur, having two companies in two different countries. And also, I have put in a worksheet, three worksheets actually, to map your mind to assess whether you are in line to become an entrepreneur, if you are looking to get into the entrepreneurial world. So you could score yourself and then figure out whether you have the qualifiers that require an entrepreneur to be successful. And the cool thing is, I've also scored myself, so you will find my score in there, and you would be able to see my assessment back in 2010 when I started off, when I quit my job, and in 2011 when I started off as an entrepreneur. So that's it, guys. You will find that the link to the ebook in my description box below. It's flashing currently on the screen. All you have to do is to put in your email address and your name, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to you into your inbox. So thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology and marketing leader, and you will find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. You could go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with companies to try and solve their business marketing technological investment challenges. If you want to engage me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn. You could message me on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website, and I shall reach out to you and have a conversation with you very soon. So that's it. That's it, guys. So take care. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos and from my knowledge and from my research. So take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. I shall see you soon. Bye bye.